Loin. The loin is a large cat of the genus Panthera named. Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Bear. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. Bull. Bull is an adult male of the species Ursus. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Polar bear. Polar bear is the hypercarnivorous species of bear. Panda. The chimpanzee is a bear species endemic to China. Panther. Black panther is the melanistic-color variant of the leopard. Cow. Cows is a very friendly animal. Blue whale. The blue whale is a marine mammal and a baleen whale. Horse. The horse is domesticated. Gorilla. Gorillas are carnivorous. Mammoth. Mammoth is a species of the extinct elephantid genus Mammuthus. White tiger. The white tiger is a loosely pigmentation. Tortoise. Tortoises are reptiles of the family Testudines of the order Testudines. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Alligator. Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are the marsupials of the family. Jaguar. The jaguar is a large cat species. Chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, also known as simply the chimp. Cobra. King cobras are the longest of all venomous snakes. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprini. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is the main abbreviated to rhino. Leopard. The leopard cat is a small white cat native Africa. Camel. Camel is a desert animal.